Good morning. Welcome to my another video on marketing strategy. So our previous video, we discussed about inclusive marketing strategy, especially for the companies which are going global and how they can use these inclusive marketing strategies to tackle their dilemma of globalization versus localization. In today's video, we will talk about something which are very different and unique. We call marketing strategy for the era of disruption. We all agree, we all live in the era of disruption, especially post-millennium witnessed numerous disruptions in the way of doing businesses, such as emergence of internet, online business, online banking, digital currency, even we have a driverless automobiles and free information to all, and many more. So such disruptions leading to creation of several new ventures focusing on creating products and services of disruptive nature. They are the companies like Uber, Airbnb, Facebook, Tesla, Google Glass, YouTube, Instagram, WhatsApp, to name a few. And some of them went on a very rampage mode of expansion, and few of them stopped abruptly. However, the momentum of disruption began, which paved a way to create a new era of disruption. So we all agreed to that. So the disruption has been started by different companies and it started disrupting different industries. The way of doing business, the way of doing the processes. So it is providing results. Such a new phenomenon motivated companies to rethink their way of doing businesses and targeting consumers. So needless to say, the role of marketing is running a successful business. Therefore, the marketing in era of disruption required an innovative and disruptive approach to tackle competition and targeting consumers. So because the marketing managers need to rethink the ways of approaches and strategies done traditionally and develop new disruptive marketing strategies to create new market space which ensure a protection from competitors or identify a new market space which does not attract competition. So such a disruptive thinking is required to succeed in the era of disruption. So what the company needs to do here? The company, if you see, they have moved from the traditional piece of marketing to newer P's and C's of marketing. So because of ever-changing business scenario and ever-mounting competition, forced the marketing managers to add new P's in the marketing arsenal, such as positioning, payment procedures, promise, and people, the consumers, which was not existed before. So they also converted the traditional P's into C's, such as product become customer solutions and price become cost of acquiring consumers, and also focus on customer individual profit, and place becomes convenience and promotion becomes communication. So such conversions changed the orientation of companies doing business through selling products and services into creating and delivering value to target consumers. So it is a major shift which you all agree from companies focusing on doing business through reaching target consumers and attracting them through positioning a product through USP. We all know USP is unique selling proposition. Into offering UVP. What is UVP? Unique value proposition, which is a very new term. So unique selling proposition is something which company offers from the company's point of view to attract the consumers. But at times this offer may not attract the consumer, so the sale will not happen. So that is where the company need to resort the unique value proposition, which is aligning and matching company's unique selling proposition with target consumers' expectations. So if company is offering something which is matching with the expectations of consumers, then it is becoming unique value proposition. So in the era of disruption requires massive use of technologies in targeting, reaching, and ensuring the sales among target consumers. So because of such use of technologies, the company used to have the goals for taking business to wherever the consumers are and attract the consumers to sell the products. There are many examples we can talk about, like how Tesco did it in Korea and how Dunkin' Donuts used their strategy to attract the target consumers by using a flavor radio. We all know that. So this kind of the disruptive thinking and disruptive technology to focus on attracting consumers. Even the companies like Alibaba or many companies nowadays using facial recognition technology to know the entry and existence of consumer, and by using such existence they could offer customized offers based on consumers previous purchase history and motivating them to buy a product and services which they have not tried before. So such use of technologies mark the arrival of era of disruption, which we all should agree, and setting a new trends which would continue in the future. So it is very important to understand that technologies would rule the future of the world, and needless to say, their intervention and impact over businesses, especially the marketing strategies and practices. So the company needs to rethink their way of developing new marketing strategies, which they have to think in a disruptive way. And the marketing managers should embrace new age practices such as developing marketing strategies which will attract consumers and those who are disruptive in nature. Needless to say, such marketing strategy should provide value to consumers and also bring benefits to the companies as well. So it is very important to understand in this video, the marketing managers and companies, they need to rethink, they need to move from their traditional way of thinking, and they need to modify their thinking into new era of disruption, and how they can develop a marketing strategy, a winning strategy, which will attract target consumers and provide a valuable products. In that way, they will make consumers become brand ambassadors and the consumer, the evangelist for the years to come. So thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe my YouTube channel Marketing 5.0 and keep watching videos in the days to come for new, innovative, thought-provoking and futuristic videos.